Good morning. This is George Tkaczuk with Know Your Options Inc., reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. I want to talk about two things this morning. We may have a possible trend change in the general market, and then a few plays that you can do regarding that trend change. Okay, first off, the market may be now in a confirmed uptrend. Basically, we go back, take a look. Friday, November 16th, market hit a new low. Nasdaq was at 2803, reversed off of there in pretty strong volume. And all last week, the market rallied, where every day was closing on new highs. The only problem is it's kind of a bit of a wedging rally, and what that is as the market's moving up, volume's moving down. That's not an ideal sign. When we want confirmation, we want to see it come through on some great volume. Now, last Friday was an interesting day because the indexes were up about 1.4%. And the volume wasn't there. However, if you prorate the volume, meaning it was just a half day trading, if it extended to a full day, the volume would have been up, would have been higher than Wednesday or Tuesday session, which then would have given us our follow through day. So at this point, the way the market's acting, it's worth risking saying the market's trend has changed and we're in a confirmed uptrend. And now it's important to watch how the Nasdaq acts right around the 3,000 level. Its 200-day moving average is right around 29.85. If it hits that and turns back down, maybe this uptrend's not for real and we might see a little bit more downside. So that's to be seen. But until we undercut that 2803 low, for now the market's in the uptrend unless we see a lot of heavy selling coming into the market. Now the S&P is acting much better. It's above its 200-day moving average. It's above 1400. It's above 1400 hanging in there this morning. So that's pretty good. And also the same action we saw Friday. Had it been a full day, that might have given us enough volume to call it a confirmed follow-through. But the S&P also, since the November 16th low, was able to close on a high every day last week. Okay, so now what plays are there in the market? Well, this morning Stratasys is one of those three-dimensional printing stocks we talked about in the past. That's breaking out. That's playable at these levels, of course, using that 7 to 8% stop loss. 3D System is also nearing a buying range. That also could be bought at these levels right here. And for full disclosure, I do own both those positions. Now, what's really more interesting is last Friday, the precious metal, gold and silver, each popped their head above the 50-day moving average on really strong volume. It was basically a half-day trading session, as mentioned earlier, but if you look at the SLV and the GLD, the volume was pretty strong despite the lower session. So now you can pick these up. If you pick up the GLD at these levels, it's about 169 and change, and use a quick stop at the 50-day moving average, 169, if it doesn't work out. Same with SLV, trading about 33 this morning. The 50-day moving average is about 32, so you can use that as your stop if the trade doesn't work out. So for now, let price and volume be your guide. Market may be in a new uptrend. Stay alert. This is George Tkaczuk with Know Your Options Inc., reporting you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a good day.